Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Okay, so you're going to invest in a Fujica Single-8 Z800. You're thinking about it. Okay, so buyers or sellers, this video is for you. You want to know how to test it. And buyers, you want to make sure that it works before you buy it. Okay, so here's what you do first. Sellers, to your customers, you need to purchase some batteries. It takes 4 alkaline batteries. Make sure you get alkaline. It will read on the outside of the package that they are alkaline. Do not get carbon batteries, because if you do and you put them in, the camera will not work. Okay? Go to the handle, the bottom of the handle right here at the end of my pencil eraser. Alright? And you want to unscrew this. This is the battery compartment. Alright, so unscrew this, and this is where you're going to insert the batteries. Okay, so just like so. Good thing about this is, when you check this, okay, you want to make sure there's no corrosion. So if the batteries are stuck, you've got a problem. Probably have a problem in selling it, and maybe you'll only sell it for parts. But buyers, you may be able to salvage it and repair it, because there are micro mini Phillips screws here, which you could scrape the corrosion off if need be, depending on how severe it is. All right, put that away. Inside, you can see how the batteries go in. So, I'll put that one there. Positive up. Okay. Positive up here. Negative down. Positive down, rather. Alright. I'm going to take this. Make sure that screw goes in the middle of there. Okay. And I'm going to put this back on. Okay, a tip for you, when you screw this back on, don't screw it too tight or you could crack this plastic housing. Alright? So next, what you need to do is turn the camera around. Okay? You want to check the inside of the film compartment. Okay? Make sure there's no rust, corrosion or anything. This is what call the pressure plate right here. Okay, make sure all this is clean. No rust, no corrosion. No rust, no corrosion here. Make sure all that's clean. Alright? Show this all to your customer in a video, sellers. Just like so. Alright? This pressure plate should be springy. Okay? Close it up, push this in and turn it. Fit it back just like that. Okay? So next, here you are. You can pull this out and it locks. Okay? Just like so. Turn it around. Here you'll see an L for lock, and that's the little dot right there. Okay? And there's an R, that's for run. Take that, flip it there. As you can see, it's on R at that dot for run. Now all you gotta do is press the shutter button. If you don't know, this is a shutter button right here at the end of my pencil eraser. Okay? Take the lens cap off, and as you can hear, it operates. Turn it around, open it again, flip it up, push in, turn it. You want to send a video to your customers? Look at these spindles right here. Okay? You want to send a video to this to your customer. You want to press the shutter button again. And as you do that, you want to make sure to show your customer that these spindles spin. Alright? So, I'll put this down. I'll press the shutter button down here. And as you can see, the bottom one right here is turning. Alright. So I'm going to turn this back around here. Just like that. You have a rewind button right here. It's manual rewind. You can flip this up, okay, and turn this to rewind the film. Now, what you want to do is this. In the video that you send to your buyer, okay, take a look at this top spindle. And in the back here, you want to turn that. And you see how it makes that top spindle move? That way, that rewinds the film backwards for a superimposing special effect. Now they know it works. Okay? Close it up. Push it in. Turn it. If the handle's locked and you don't know how to get it down, here's what you do. Whoops. You see this black arrow right here? How it points up. Take your thumb, push it all the way up. Get your lanyard out of the way, and then push it and it locks back. Okay? And then you are done. That is it. And that is how you test the camera. This locks back in here. Okay? So that's how you test a Fujica Single-8 Z800. So there you are, buyers and sellers. This is how you test a Fujica Single-8 Z800. Alright? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!